Alert to the threat, Mum sounds the alarm. The owlets retreat to the only safe place they know, their burrow. But badgers are built to shift mountains of soil. Try as they might, the adults can't see her off. She's determined. With their backs against the wall, there's no escape. But they have a trick up their sleeves that might just save their lives. A talent they were born with. Master mimics, they can perfectly impersonate a sound the badger knows only too well. The rattlesnake. It's so convincing, the badger backs off to a safe distance.